Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Opera GX your default mobile browser on both Android and iOS. Whether you're a fan of Opera GX's cool features or you just want a more customizable browsing experience, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips like this. Here's how you can set Opera GX as your default browser directly from the Opera GX app on your mobile device. Open Opera GX on your mobile device. Tap the Opera GX menu. Go to Settings within the Opera GX app. Under the browser settings, look for the option labeled Default Browser. Tap on Default Browser and select Opera GX from the list. Confirm by tapping OK or Set as Default. This will make Opera GX the default browser for all web links and pages on your device. That's it! Now you know how to set Opera GX as your default browser. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.